Hey everybody, Kevin here from Invisible Insights, and it's separation season. I got something for your performance edge today as we get into habit building. Now, we went through the whole process of separation, right? And now we're talking about reinvention, but there has to be habits that support that reinvention. Some of those habits are simple habits. Some of those habits are as simple as, hey, if you're going to get up in the morning and work out, put your shoes by the edge of your bed, lay your clothes out the night before. Get into that habit. Sometimes, like one habit that I have is I try to brush my teeth so I don't feel like I want to eat anything else. Sometimes it's almost like a period at the end of the sentence, right? It's like, hey, I'm done eating for the day. I'm going to brush my teeth. And then that way I'm kind of going well, I don't want to mess that up. These are habits that support this new level that you're going to, the separation that you're moving towards, this person that you're moving and wanting to become. And now some habits are going to feel really good. Some habits are going to align quite easily. Some habits won't stick for that reason. But let me tell you something. The ones that do will be transformational for you. And it isn't that you have to have all of them all figured out and all dialed in. It is simply, hey, I need to instill a habit. I need to put something in place that's going to support where I'm going. It's kind of a message that you send to your brain that you're committed. And I'm just going to do this habit. It's like taking vitamins in the morning is a habit. I started drinking AG1, and I wasn't sure whether I would like that or not. It was something that I started, and now it's a habit. I've been doing it for over a year. It's just something where it's like, I like getting my vitamins that way. It's all knocked out. It's like I drink it. I don't have to think about it, right? It all just works. And habits should align. There should be a feeling, but you have to test it. And yes, you will be incompetent. Yes, you will be uncertain. It will be part of the process of instilling new habits, but the habits will prove themselves out to you. Eventually, it will win your heart and your mind. And then you'll go, oh, wow, this is kind of like this new identity, this new thing you do. I take a cold shower in the morning. That's a habit. I take a shower, and then I turn that bad boy as cold as I can get it. I wait 30 seconds, and then I dive in, and I do it for 4 minutes. And I'm dancing, baby. You know it. I'm dancing in the shower. But I tell you what, you come out, I do deep breathing afterwards. That's another habit. Try to just make sure I'm just getting myself in order, setting myself up to succeed for the day. Small little things, but it sets the tone for where you're going. I'm heading to the gym right after. I'm alive, awake, alert, enthusiastic. I'm alive, awake, alert, enthusiastic. I say that to myself. I move on. It's like all these things add up. The habits will do that. Now, here's one thing I want to add. You may want to kind of take your environment and make your environment support your habits. So for instance, I didn't want to have to hunt for clothes in the morning to go to the gym. And so I put the clothes that I wear to the gym in the bottom drawer closest to the bed. You know why, right? I have to create the least amount of resistance, because any level of resistance that I would have that my environment would not support would keep me from moving in that direction. I would have all the excuses in the world where I don't feel like hunting through the closet for that. Oh, I don't know what's clean. I don't know what's dirty. No, it's all everything is dialed in. I put my shoes by the edge of the bed. I make sure that everything is ready to set in the bottom drawer. It's all good. I put all I have my belt up there. I have it all, man. This is all figured out. What does your environment look like? Does your environment support it? Let me give you another environmental thing. Hey, I have zero willpower when it comes to nice sugary treats. Christmas was a killer. I gained 5 pounds. Now I'm back down. So, which is good. I worked my butt off to get back. However, you know what? It's just, I don't have willpower. I can't have stuff in the house. So basically what happens is, hey, after Christmas and, the treat yourself holidays, because we do that, hey, it's out. There's nothing there. I don't have any temptation whatsoever. I replace it with fruit. Blueberries. I got this real great blueberry treat, man, where I figured out if I put some honey and some frozen blueberries with a couple scoops of non-fat yogurt, zero, no sugar, no fat stuff. I put it in there, and I get like that going, and it creates like a blueberry ice cream. And I love that. It supports my habits. I want to make sure if I'm going to indulge, I'm indulging in something that gives me protein and healthy fruit. I just want to make sure that I'm setting my environment up to win, and you should too. So with that said, it's habit forming time. It's time to write them down. It's time to evaluate them. It's time to continue to make the actual physical move towards separation. You're getting there. We're close. We're moving here into early February. It's going to wrap up. And you're going to be, hey, that new level will start to emerge, and you'll feel it. I know you will. So stay after it. Stay encouraged. Always remember this. When you do the invisible, yes, we're going to do the invisible this time. And you will become unstoppable. Yes. Whoop.